Hello and welcome back to one of my videos, and today I'm going to make a cheesecake slime inspired by Kawaiislimeshop. So I'm just going to start off with an 8-ounce pot of fluffy slime, and to this I'm going to add some scents and a bit of colour. So for a cheesecake scent, I'm going to start off with vanilla buttercream, and this smells amazing. So sort of warm and rich and vanilla-y and creamy. I'm going to add shortbread as well, because I think the combination of these two really does have a sort of cheesecake feel to it. Okay, so now I've added the scents, I'm going to add some colour and just a little bit of yellow for this, and I want it to be a warm yellow, so I'm just going to add a tiny bit and see how I get on, see if it needs any more yellow, and then I'm going to add some orange just to warm it up. So now for the topping, and I've got two types of clay I'm going to use, starting with this Hobbycraft white, and I'm going to mix some Dazo brown into this and make that into a nice sort of domed topping for the cheesecake base. Oh, this brown Dazo or Daiso looks like chocolate ice cream. Ooh. So now this has made a really nice sort of clay patty, I'm going to try and shape it into a sort of dome topping, just the right size to fit on the cheesecake. So I'm going to use the slime screw top lid and just try and get it to match the same size. Okay, so I think that's about ready. So I'm going to place this on top of the slime. So next up I have some paper doilies that are probably just about the right size to do a stencil, and I'm going to use corn flour and sort of sieve it onto the slime topping using this paper doily, which is pretty tricky, I've got to say. So it is slightly on the big side, but hey, I'm going to have a go. So I've got my sieve to the ready, some corn flour, and I'm just going to try and scatter it on lightly, and hopefully this will work. Yeah, there's room for improvement, but it does look quite nice. So next up for presentation, I'm going to put this brightly coloured card down, which came with a pack of doilies I got from Wilko's, or was it the Works? I can't remember now. So I'm going to pick one of these larger ones to put the cheesecake slime on. Wow, look at that. Really looks the job. Ooh. Makes me want to cut a slice and have a piece. But I won't. And some cabochons to decorate it with. So I've got some little fruit pieces here, various kinds. So I'm just going to select some of these and arrange them very carefully on top. So there we have the cheesecake complete. And this is a DIY slime that Kawaiislimeshop does. I really enjoyed making it. Thanks to Sophie for suggesting I do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!